Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the one more important topic, that is the stipules modification in the flowering plants. Here the first stipule modification is free lateral stipules. Here the name itself tells, consider it is the stem of the plant, and here from the node of the stem the leaf arises. Okay. Here the stipules is present at this base of the leaf stalk. This can be seen in the plants like hibiscus. There are many examples can be seen, but mainly we are discussing about hibiscus. Here it is also called as China rose. And the second type of stipule modification is the spinous. Here the name itself tells that the spines, the stipule is spines like. Okay, it has a pointed green structure. It is the stem of the plant and it gives rise to the leaf. And here what happens, the stipules is present is with a very sharp tip. Okay, it is a pointed green structure, and this type of stipule modification can you see in the Ziziphus plant. Ziziphus, please correct them spellings. Okay, Ziziphus, Ziziphus. Okay, here in free lateral stipules, here the stipules are present on either side of the leaf stalk. Okay, it is very simple and it is very common type of stipule seen in the hibiscus plants. And the spinous, it is seen in the Ziziphus, and it is very sharpened structure, a pointed green structure. And the third one we are going to discuss is the adonate. Adonate, it is also very important, one of the modification in the stipules in point of view NEET exam as well as the board exam. Okay, the best example for this is the rose. The stipule which is present in the rose, that is the adonate type. Here what happens, normally the leaf of the rose, it is 5 leaflets is present. Okay, one is present at the tip and other 4 type leaves are presented on either side like this. Okay, this is the leaf of the rose. Here what happens, the stipule is present at this position, making some cover like structure. Okay, at every leaf stalk it forms this type of structures. And the fourth type is, already we are discussing this type in many modifications, tendrilar stipules. Okay, here also the stipules are modified in tendril like coiled like structures. Here in bud modification, the bud is modified into tendril. In stem modification, the stem is modified into tendril. In stipules modification, the stipule is modified into tendril. Okay, the example for this is smilex. We can see this type of modification in the smilex plant. Okay, and the fifth one is foliar stipules. Foliar stipules. The example for this is the pea plant is the example. It is green like structure. Green in foliar stipules, the stipules are leaf like, means normally the leaf appears like this. Here also the stipules are considered the stem of the plant and it give rise to the leaf. And here what happens, in here normally the stipules are present here. Okay, here also what happens, this leaf like structure present. It is not the leaf, it is the modified stipules. Okay, it is the modified stipules. It is also very large in size and broad in surface, and it is green in structure. It looks like green. Okay, this is the difference between here from one stipules to one another. Here the first one is the free lateral stipules. Common ಆಗಿ ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಸ್ಪೈನಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಚೂಪಾದ ತುದಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಡನೈಟ್ ಟೈಪ್, ಒಂದು ಕವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ರೀತಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸು. ಇನ್ನು ಟೆಂಡ್ರಿಲರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಯಿಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್, ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಥರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಡ್ರಿಲ್. ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಮೈಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ರಿಲರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫೋಲಿಯಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲೆ ಥರನೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಎಲೆ ಥರದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಸೈಜಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಫೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಪೀ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಫೋಲಿಯಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಪ್ಯೂಲ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ we studied 5 types of stipules mainly. The important all are important, but very very important is the free lateral stipules and the adenate stipules are very much important. In exams also so many times this concepts is asked. Okay, please remember the examples, understand the concepts with diagrams. Make your own notes. It's better for you to study.